Good day. Welcome sa Transfer It Riverbanks Marketplace. Total marketplace listing is possible. Total active is 262. Estimated inquiry per day is 7. This week inquiry converted to sales is 15,445 with 6 transaction. Top 1 listing ko ay ang varsity jacket with 11 inquiry received, 3 total transaction with 7,200 total amount. Bomber jacket with 3 inquiry received, 2 total transaction with 6,450 total amount. Dry fit raglan round neck with 20 inquiry received, 4 total transaction with 3,000 total amount. Na-post ko na listing this week ay 24 at wala na pong kulang sa listing ko.